In today's recipe we're going to make creamy Cajun chicken. First off, mix all the Cajun seasoned ingredients in a bowl and split this into 2 halves, then set one half aside. Now with the other half we're going to season the flattened chicken. Season this well both sides. Next, heat a large pan on medium heat and spray with low fat cooking spray. Fry the seasoned chicken for 5 minutes on each side and then remove this from the pan. Once the chicken has been cooked on each side and removed from the pan, add the peppers and the garlic and fry this for 1 minute. Now add the chicken stock, cream cheese, tomato puree and Cajun seasoning and mix this up until the cream cheese has melted. Now place the chicken into the pan and cook this until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thickened. Once the chicken has cooked and the sauce is thickened, add the parmesan cheese. Stir this in well. Lastly, plate up your delicious dish and garnish with some parsley. There you have it, easy, creamy Cajun chicken.